Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMZN, Amazon. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very big pullback on this one after what started off to be a very impressive, gap up. I mean, the price gapped up, opened up around that area of the chart, and then from there, it was just basically all selling pressure the rest of the day. So a lot of bearishness here headed into the weekend, which brings about a couple of key technical levels that I think a lot of people will be watching. And the first level here, and this is not some sort of great discovery on my part, I assure you people that use charts, understand charts, are going to be watching the same area. But that's the pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the very well known, the very famous 200 period moving average. And in fact, you can see the price has already bounced off it right there. But that's one of those areas, and nothing is guaranteed. But my core point here is this, is that it's more than valid, it's more than rational to think that if the price were to come down to that area and then break down through it, that could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. And so that's going to be definitely a very important level to watch first off. And that area is right down there around, we'll call it 3170. So 3170, that first key area of support. In the event that level does not quite hold up, the next key level to keep an eye on, that where the price very well could potentially visit after that would be right around 3155. So 3170, 3155 key levels of support. Now, in the event the price decides it wants to try to turn itself around and work itself back upwards, first key area of resistance in that situation going to be that purple line right there. That is the 50 period simple moving average. In fact, you can already see it's behaved as a resistance right there midday today, and the current value of that is, we'll just call it the 3200 mark. So watch that if there is any sort of attempted movement to the upside. But as of right now, things are looking shaky. Things are looking like the market might want to break down to that 200 period moving average. I should note that the market's still open for about several more minutes here. So there's still a possibility that by the time you're watching this video, maybe you're looking at Amazon and you see that the price has broken down below that level. So that's very possible. But like I said, if the price has broken down below that area, just understand that the next key level of support would be at the 3155 mark. So we'll see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.